Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Today I'm just going to do a LOTO Lock Tuesday video. So, saw these guys on eBay about a month ago. I bought a couple of them. They're only about $10 each. Give you a quick look there. So these are the CIRLOCK Lockout Tagout equipment. Lockout, stay safe. And these are the SLP-450 GRN for green, quantity of 1. Stainless steel shackle. Thing that I saw in the picture was the American style keyway, which really interested me. And it's got the stainless steel shackle. And I've never seen one like this before either. And seeing it in person, it looks really, really cool. So let's give him an unpack and have a look what we get. So what are the infos on here? That's pretty much all of it. Yeah, get rid of this stuff. So American key. So it's pinned to 6. There's your bitting. So not too bad bitting actually. That's very nice bitting. 6 pinner. So looks like 1, 3, 5 are lows and 2, 4, 6 are higher. It's like a saw pattern style bitting. So upon seeing that, before the video, I got this ready. It's an American lock, same keybow, as you can see. So I'm not sure if they're sharing some proprietary information, some patent information there. But I really wanted to see if the American lock key would fit in there, and it does. So it's the exact same keyway. So they've borrowed maybe the exact same core from an American and put it into a LOTO. The other thing that it reminded me of was the Brady. Through the packet, I could see this seam here, and I'm betting that it's guttable. So I'm going to have a look in here, and sure enough, it's got a little screw in there. So sort of like a cross between one of these now and one of these. So so if these two got married, right, you'd get this. Alrighty, so let's try to give it a pick. So it's got a dead, it's actually quite stiff. It's not really, see, like on this one here, that moves really freely, like you could blow on it and it just moves quite nicely. This one here, it's like it's dragging. It's definitely dragging. It hasn't got a spring. It drags both ways. Maybe it's an internal thing or something, but it's key retaining. No spring, no shackle spring. Dead core, dead shackle, key retaining, normal LOTO sort of stuff. And just looking at this now. So you've got this number on the bottom of the lock, which corresponds to the key. So D7061 and D7061 on the key. Hold on, I'll get my other one and have a look. So I've got this other one here, and the number on this key is D7072, which is different to that. And it's got the same on the padlock. Oh, cool. So they're like serial numbered, you know. Yeah, pretty cool. But it might be a tricky pick. Yeah, if it's got an American core on it, this is going to be fun, I'll tell you what. Oh, here we go. Alright, so it's got an off-center keyway as well, just like the American and the Brady. This is like the Brady kid, or Brady bunch. That's actually worse now since I've put it in the vise. That's alright there, but it's loose. That's alright there. Okay, let's give that a go. And I'm out of focus, of course, classic. Alright, let's get that in frame. Good old tensioners that I use for Americans, just 1.2. Yep, and Bishu, and Lockout busted mouse. Alright, so main frame and main position, sort of. Hold on a sec. There we go. Alright, so I've got to work on a bit of a funny angle here, because it's see the keyways like that. So I must have like a 30-degree angle. Probably 22.5, but just. Alright, so let's get comfy and try and give it a pick. Okay, I can feel some binders. Okay, I've got a little click off 6. 4's binding. There, got a little click. Got a little bit of movement on the core, I believe. 1, 2 is binding. Okay, that's 2. Wow, this is. I'm getting no feedback off this tension at all. Nothing. Okay, just touch 6 again and got a bit of a thing going on. Whoa, okay. Just touched 1 and I'm definitely in a false set now. Okay, 2 is binding. Okay, now I'm starting to get a bit of counter. Alright, so that's 2. Said that, slip off it, slipped off it. Okay, come on, mate. 2. Oh, I only got an open. Wow, that was a really, really strange pick. Not much feedback. Just a really, really strange pick. Definitely pick resistant. I'd give him that much. CIRLOck. And just looking back up and open him. Still works. Wow, that was a funny little pick. And let me get a thin screwdriver out. No, that's not. Oh, that one just fits nice. Nice and loose in there. Oh, nice long screw. And like the, okay, it just pops out. Just like the Abus Brady. And inside there you can see the actuator in there. It's like a brass one, brass coloured. Not like the plastic one, like in the Brady. So I'll put that to one side for now. Look it back up, maybe. Put it there. Oh, it's got to fall out totally. Let's totally dismantle him. I love taking things apart. Let's just total dismantle this stuff. There we go. Ball bearings are there. The actuator, the body, the shackle. Now, get this kick out of here. Oh, wrong way. This one. So there's the little nut that the screw goes in through here, through the shackle hole, and screws into there to hold it into the body. So it's all plastic except you've got a little metal nut in there, very similar to the Abus Brady again, and what looks like a little American core. Alright, let's use this pen tray, get this clip off. Okay, nice. Let's pull all this stuff over here so you guys can see it. Get the key, get with the screwdriver, get with the gut wrench. Oh, it's got holes on the bottom as well for easy rekeying, which is pretty cool. We're not going to do it that way. We're going to shim it. There were some spools in there, most definitely. Alright, get a follower. Yeah, keep into that way. Oh, okay. Right. Just check this. Whoa, this is actually, this follower fits an American perfectly, but as you can see, is this housing, the Bible's Bible housing is larger in diameter than an American. I can move that around quite easily. So definitely, it's definitely got the same keyway, but it's got a bigger chamber there. Anyway, get these key pins. So have a look in here, see how they have to be picked. So all 6 there, and that's how it had to be picked. So 3 and 5 were sort of gatekeepers for 4 and 6. You can see there. Now let's dump these out. So these are the 2.4 mil, same size as the American. So far, no serrations on these. So the keyway and the key bow might be as far as the similarities run between the American and the CIRLOCK. Yeah, CIRLOCK. Tweezers. Shim out. Very curious to see what's in here now. Very, very curious. Okay, got a standard in one. Couple spring. Spool in 2. Spool in 3. So standard in 6. Quite an odd arrangement. Spool in 5. And another spool in 4. Huh. It's a tricky little bugger, this one. Yeah, so it was dragging. I can't put it back together now to show you that it was dragging, but it was definitely dragging on the cores and the padlock. It was not easy to turn, which prevented a lot of feedback actually when picking. So there are your pins. So for a cheap lock, they're pretty nice pins actually. If you can see them properly, it's night time here, but they are nicely cut. Not like those Chinesium sort of style ones. They are actually quite nicely cut. And I will investigate into why the key drags a lot on there. So yeah, all standard key pins, standard driver in 1 and 6, and 2 till 5 are spools with copper springs. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Take care.